Okay, now we're going to create our data source for our mail merge letter. The real power behind a mail merge letter is that you can make a letter that you can send out to a bunch of different people, and you can personalize it for those people. So you can put their name and maybe even something about their member account, which we'll get into later here. And that's where we need to create a data source. So we need to list all the people that would be getting this letter. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and go back to the Mailings tab now. We're going to go Start Mail Merge and go back to the step-by-step mail merge wizard. Now we can see we're still where we left off when we closed it before, and we get to decide how we want to choose our recipients. We're going to do this from a new list. So click Type a New List and go to Create. Now it has some default values that it uses for a mail merge. You can see them there up at the top. We're going to change those. We're not going to need all of those, and we're going to even add one of our own. So click the Customize Columns button, and now that we're here, we're going to go ahead and delete company name. So click on company name, hit delete, hit yes. We're going to delete country or region, home phone, work phone, and email address. And then we're going to add a field too, and this field is going to be called membership type. Okay, you'll see why we'll need this as we move along in our letter. So we add membership type. Go ahead and hit OK, and then here's where we start to put in the different people that we'll be sending this letter to. So again, I'm just going to pause as I fill that in. You should be able to. Okay, I trailed off a little bit there, but you got the idea. You just type in the names as they're listed there in the book on page Word 327. You can see they're all filled in right there. After you have them all in, you can go ahead and hit OK, and it's going to prompt you to save it now. See, I have some saved here already, but what I want you to do is go save them in that Health Club folder we created just one walkthrough ago. So I'm going to go to My Documents, CIS 123, and Health Club. We're going to give it a name here. It's going to save it as an Access database. You don't need to know about that for right now. You won't for this chapter even. So as we get in there, I'm going to type in the name Health. Oh wow, Health Club members. It's important that you remember where you're saving this, because this is a file that you'll need to upload when you submit your assignment. So Health Club folder, Health Club members, hit save, and that's my data source. I can hit OK now that it's saved, and I've created my data source, my recipient list, for my mail merge document now. So I know who I'll be sending it to when I complete the document, and then if I wanted to print it. So that's how you create a data source.